Okay, let's start. Kindly open your quizzes app, or you may open quizzes.com. We will have a pretest on our day number 1 of module number 5. We are now on operations involving polynomials. So our game for today is a pretest. It is a multiple choice game using the quizzes app. So kung wala pong quizzes app, you may open quizzes.com or joinmyquiz.com. So let's begin the live quiz. Tulad na nakikita nyo sa monitor po ninyo, yan po yung code natin. Our code is 049506. Okay, please open joinmyquiz.com. Wala pong quizzes na app. Tapos our code is 049506. Okay, we have one player now, Jane. Densley. Tres. Charisse. Cindy, hindi pa mo nakakapasok. Densley, andyan na po. Ella, hindi pa rin po nakakapasok. Emilio, Rizel, Red. Please join now. We have Emilio. Okay, si Hinko po na late. Kindly open www.joinmyquiz.com Hinko, or you may open quizzes app. Then with the code 049506. Okay, still waiting for the others to come in. Okay, where are the others? Kung may problema po, please type on the chat box para malaman ko po. Ella, Crizel, may problema po ba sa connection? Ashley, please join now. Red, di pa po kayo nakakapasok sa ating game. Si Ashley, uli pa po nag-start. Open mo lang po joinmyquiz.com or yung quizzes na app with the code tulad ng i-type ko. Kung merong app po, quizzes.com ang i-open. Ay kung merong app pala, quizzes app. Kung wala naman po, joinmyquiz.com.
Sir.
Okay, I'm back. I lost the connection. Can you hear me, class?
Opo. Yes.
So, saglit lang talaga ha. Nawala ang connection ko. Nag-back to zero. Okay, please join the joinmyquiz.com with the code 049506. So we are now 7. So maybe we could start now. So let's begin. You are given 10 minutes to finalize and answer this one. Make sure that you have answered it properly. Kung hindi alam po, bindot-bindot. Pero kung alam naman ang sagot, mag-solve po. Yes po, any questions?
Di ko kasulod, sir. Kahina ko yung wifi.
Yung gani
Sir,
sa
link,
akin.
sir.
Yes po, Crizel.
Ang link.
Ang link, joinmyquiz.com. I-search mo lang sa Google Chrome or sa Internet Explorer mo, joinmyquiz.com. Kaya antayin natin si Crizel. Crizel, nakapasok ka na? Okay, let's start. Nakapasok na siya. Okay, wag po magmadali. This is 10 minutes activity. Wag po magmadali. Wag po magmadali, class. Kung kaya nyo naman i-solve nyo. Ella, Red, and Cindy is not starting yet. Maybe because they lost the connection. We have 7 minutes left. Okay lang po, Cindy. Okay lang po, Ashley. Okay lang po, Red. I-try nyo lang reconnect. Malay nyo makapasok kayo ulit. Okay, we have two finishers, Densley and Jane. Still waiting for the others. Yung sa mga nawala po, pwede po kayong mag-reconnect. Try nyo po, baka babalik pa po. We still have 5 minutes left. 4 minutes left. Okay, we have finished Tres, Charis, Jane, and Densley. Last 2 minutes. If you want extension of another 2 minutes, pwede po tayong mag-extend. Wow, galing-galing naman ni Ashley. Kanang highest scorer. So, sige, sagot lang muna kayo habang nagasalita ako. So, si Ashley na lang po ang natitira ata na nag-answer kasi ang the rest is na-disconnect. So, don't worry if you are disconnected. This is quizzes pre-test only. Pre-test, which means it is not recorded. It is supposed to be there just to know how much you know about our lesson for this morning. So, while the others are still answering, so based on this activity, um, yan po yung mga ile-lesson, iso-solve at saka i-evaluate natin later on when we discuss for the entire week of our lesson. So yan po yung tinatawag natin na um, operations involving polynomials. So what are these operations involving polynomials? So to begin with, let us review first our lesson last time. So we have the result now. So our top scorer are the following. We have third, Charis Tres as our second, and Ashley as our first. So congratulations to the top scorers and continue being a good scorer in this activity. So, alam ko mahirap ang ibang question, ang iba naman madali. So congratulations for the three and the rest. So let's have a review first of our lesson. Ano yung i-review natin? I-review natin yung sa lesson natin is about integers. So the rules of adding integers. Why we need to review this one? Because sa polynomials, kapag hindi ka marunong ng integers, mag-add, mag-subtract, mag-divide, and multiply, ito yung magiging problema mo. Hindi mo kayang isosolve ngayon the addition, the operations used in polynomials. So if we add integers, if the integers have the same sign, copy the sign, then add the numbers. So example, you don't need to copy this one. Ha? For example, we have positive 2 plus positive 3. So they are both signs. So therefore, sabi niya, copy the sign lang. Positive, then add the numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 is invisible, so you may write 5 only. Yes po, Ashley, no, module 5 na po tayo. Okay, ganyan lang po yan siya. Okay, next. That's the rule. Kapag ganito naman, negative 5 plus negative 8, that is, i-add mo lang kasi the same sila ng sign. Negative 5 is negative, 8 is negative also. So therefore, 5 plus 8 magiging 13. Then copy the sign. Okay? That is the scenario here. Or, ganito, kapag negative is utang, kapag positive is bayad. Kung meron kang utang, dinagdagan mo ng isa pang utang, ang sagot, utang din dapat. Tama? Kailan ka pa nag-utang na naging cash sa pagkatapos? Hindi pwede ganun. Ang utang, kapag inutang, dinagdagan mo pa ng another utang, utang pa rin yun. And utang is negative. And that is why it is still negative. Okay, what about kung magkaibang signs? If the integers have different signs, subtract the numbers. And copy the sign with the greater or the larger number. For example, i-add daw natin si negative 3 and positive 11. So, kapag magkaibang sign, isubtract lang. 11 minus 3, that is 8. Then, sino mas malaki? Si 11 ba or si 3? Si 11, of course. Anong sign ni 11? Invisible positive. So, that is positive 8. And positive 8 can be written as invisible 8. Invisible positive 8. Yun lang po siya. Okay, next. What about this example? We have 11, negative 11 plus 6. So anyone on the chat box, please? Anyone on the chat box? Again, they are different signs. Magkaiba po sila ng signs. So therefore, you are going to subtract it. Then copy the sign with the larger number. Negative 11 plus 6. Anyone, please type on the chat box. Okay, negative 5 from Ashley. Charis is negative 5 also. Same with Dansby. Okay lang po, Nico. This is still recorded. Pwede mo rin siyang i-replay. So 11 minus 6, they have different signs. Subtract lang. So 11 minus 6, that is 5. Sino ba mas malaki na number? Si 11 or si 6? Si 11, of course. Ano ang sign ni 11? Negative. Kopyahin siya. Ganun lamang po. So that is negative 5. Very good. Okay, let's have example, rules of subtracting integers. So integers naman tayo, pero subtracting. Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. Ito nakakalito. Mahirap siya sundin kung ganito ang gagawin natin. For example, 5 minus 2, simply subtract it. 5 minus 2 is 3. What about negative 5 minus negative 2? Okay, ganito po ang mangyayari. Negative and negative. Kapag magkatabi po yung dalawang negative, tulad dito, negative times negative, that is positive na. So negative 5, negative times, di ba ang parenthesis is times? Negative times negative, kapag pareho ang sign pag mag-multiply, that it will turn to positive. So plus 2 na yan siya. Negative 5 plus 2. So negative 5 plus 2, magkaiba sila ng sign, isubtract lang. So 5 minus 2, or pwede natin siyang isulat na baliktarin natin yung positive sa left side, 2 minus 5. Okay, 2 minus 5 is 3. Sino ba mas malaki? Si 2 or si 5? Si 5 po. Ano po ang sign ni 5? That is negative. So negative 3 po ang sagot. Diyan. Again, ulitin ko. Negative 5 minus negative 2. Kapag ganito po ang mangyayari, kapag meron po kayong nakita negative, parenthesis, negative, magiging plus na yan siya. Kopyahin si negative 5 dito, magiging plus na ito, plus 2. Kasi negative times negative is positive. 2 minus 5, binaliktad ko lang po. Ang positive nilagay ko sa left side, ang negative nilagay ko sa right side. So 2 minus 5, that is 3. Sino ba mas malaki na number? Si 2 ba or si 5? Si 5 po. Ano po ang sign ni 5? Negative, kaya negative 3 siya ngayon. Okay, do not copy this one. This is a fast review. Okay, next, another example. Okay, 6 minus 8 naman tayo. 6 minus 8. So in this case, sino bang mas malaki? Of course, si 8. Ano bang sign ni 8? Negative. So 6 minus 8, that is 2. Next, 6 minus negative 2. Ito naman, negative times negative, magiging positive. So 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 now will become 8. And that is how easy it is. Okay, that is subtracting integers. Okay, your turn. Kaya naman. 5 minus negative 1. What's the answer? I think mahina talagang signal ni Red. Lagi siyang nawawala. So that is, from densely, we have 6, according to him. What are the others? What are your answers? Again, take note, negative times negative ang nandito. Pero yung pagbasa nito siya, 5 minus negative 1. Same with Charisse. And same with density, Charisse got 6. So, we have negative, negative. It will turn to positive. 5 plus 1, that is 6. Very good. 6 is the answer. Okay, next. Negative 6 minus negative 5. Okay, type your answer now. From density, that's 15. Charisse is 11. I know density is 10 rather. So, others, please. Hazel, Ashley, would you mind posting your answer? Okay, from density, we have 11. Okay. Sana po mag-participate lahat. Tres, Nico, please type your answer. Jane is 11 also. Negative 1 from Ashley. Cindy is 11. So let's find out if it is 11. So in this case, negative 6 tapos negative negative. Isulat muna natin negative 6. Negative negative magiging positive plus 5. Now, do they have the same signs? Yung negative 6 at saka 5. Do they have the same signs? Wala po silang the same na sign. So sabi po sa rule, kapag magkaiba ang sign, pwedeng balik na rin. So 5, unahin si positive, tapos ilipat si negative. So 5 minus 6 is 1. Sino po bang mas malaki? Si 5 ba or si 6? Si 6. Ano po ang sign ni 6? Negative. That is negative 1. Very good, Ashley. Very good, Nico. So the rest, double that. So just continue practicing, malalaman nyo ang sagot. So another example. Negative 7 minus negative 2. Okay, please type your answer. We have negative 5. Negative 5, Ashley, Bensley, and Charisse. Okay, negative 5 nga ba from Nico? So, tingnan natin kung negative 5. Same with chain. Okay, let's reveal the answer. So, we have negative 7. Ito siya, negative, negative, magiging plus 2 na yan siya. Okay, ilipat natin kasi positive po dito sa kabila. So, 2 minus 7. Okay, 2 minus 7, magiging subtract. So, magiging 5 na siya. Sino mas malaki? Si 2 ba or si 7? Si 7, of course. Anong sign ni 7? Negative. Yeah, negative 5. Okay, very good. Kisel, Jane, Emilio, Miko, Charisse. Ano pa bang nakatama? Ashley, and the rest. So, very good. Tama po. Okay, next. Yan po yung subtraction. Actually, ang mahirap lang naman dito ang subtraction lang talaga. So, sa multiplication naman tayo. Kapag take note, kapag nag-multiply po kayo, allow me to use this symbol, itong dot, meaning multiply. Kapag nag-multiply po kayo ng parehong signs, tulad ng pinapakita ko, that is equivalent to positive. Positive po yan sila lagi kapag pareho ng sign. Pero kapag magkaiba naman, tulad nito, or ganyan, ang sagot laging negative. Yun lang yung tandaan nyo. Okay? So, let's try having example or that. Kapag magpareho ang sign, positive po ang output. Kapag magkaibang sign, like this, negative po ang output. Okay? Let's have an example. So we have 7 times 8. Both are positive. 7 has invisible positive, 8 has invisible positive. Therefore, the answer is also positive. 7 times 8, 8 times 7, that is 56. That is 56. Yun lang po. Next, negative 8 times negative 5. In this case, pareho silang negative. Negative times negative will turn to positive. Bakit? Pareho silang negative. Di ba? Pag pareho ang sign, magiging positive. 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, ganun lang po siya. What about kung magkaiba naman ang signs? So, tulad nito, 7 times negative 2. In this case, 7 is positive, negative 2 is negative. So, magkaiba sila ng sign, therefore, negative na ang sagot. 2 times 7, that is 14. Or negative 2 times 3. Negative 2 is negative, 3 is positive. So, magkaibang sign, automatic negative na ang sagot. 2 times 3, that is 6. Ganun lamang po. Okay, your turn. Okay, what's your answer? Type on the chat box, please. The given is positive 15 times negative 1. Okay, that's very easy. Multiply lang siya sa 1. 15 times 1. Anyone? Please type in the chat box. No, you're going to multiply it, Ashley and Therese. Tama ko, Therese. Therese and Lourdes. So we have negative 15. Same with Emilio, Pizel. Cindy. The same answer. So, in that case, same with Nico, magkaiba po sila ng sign. Positive is 15, negative is 1. So, automatic negative na po ang sagot. So, 1 times 15, ito na lang yung problema mo. Itong i-multiply mo ang 1 times 15. 1 times 15 is 15. Automatic po, ganyan. So, the answer here is negative 15. So, very good. Next, negative 2 times negative 8. You type your answers. Again, both are negative. Sixteen from Lourdes. Charisse is positive 16. Negative 16 pala kay Lourdes. Again, take note, Lourdes, kapag pareho ang sign, positive po ang sagot. Emilio got 16. Ashley is negative 10. Ashley, kailangan po siya i-multiply, hindi po siya i-add. Cindy is 16, Densley is 36, Giselle is 16. 2 times 8 densely is 16 po. Hindi po 36 ang 2 times 8. So, let's find out. Negative, negative. Automatic magiging positive. Pareho silang negative sign. So, therefore, positive ang sagot. 2 times 8 is 16. Tama? So, positive 16. Invisible ang positive. Pwede pong isulat. Okay, next. Negative 3 and negative 4. Okay, type your answer now. Miko, maybe mahina ang signal kaya hindi marinig. Positive 12. Tingnan natin kung tama ba ang sagot nila. Cindy, Charisse, Dansley, and Lourdes. Same answer, 12. Ashley is also the same. 12 din po. Nico is also 12. So let's find out. Pareho sila, negative. So therefore, automatic magiging positive ang sagot. 3 times 4 is 12. So yan po ang sagot. Positive 12 or 12 automatic. Okay, very good. Let's proceed now to division. Ito pa, tandaan nyo. Any number, multiplied mo sa 0, magiging 0. For example, 30 times 0. Automatic, ang sagot mo 0 na yan siya. Okay, another example, nag-multiply ka ng numbers. 2 times 100 times 15 times 25 times 70. Tapos, merong times 0 dito. So, automatic ang sagot 0. Kahit gaano pa kalaki yung number mo, basta may gi-multiply ka ng isang 0, 0 na yan ang sagot automatic. No need na yan siya i-multiply. 0 na yan siya automatic. That is what you call a property. Any number multiplied by 0 gives a product of 0. Okay, next. Any number naman na gi-multiply sa 1, yun din yung sagot. Example, 2 times 1. 2 din yung sagot. Next, 3 times 1. 3 din yung sagot. Next, 100,215 times 1. 100,215 din yung sagot. Automatic siya because that is a property. If the number of negative factors is the product is negative. So, another thing, ano po yung if the number of negative factors is the product is negative. Example, nag-multiply ka, isang negative dyan. Tapos, maraming positive. Positive, positive. O, positive 2 ulit. Ganyan. So, ilang negative ang nakita mo? Isa lang po. Kapag ganyan ang case, kapag isa lang po ang nakita mo, that is automatic positive ang answer. Okay, 2 times 1 is 1 times 2, ay times 1 ulit, 2. Tapos times 2 ulit. Ganun lang po. Multiply mo lang siya sunod. 2 times 1 times 1 times 2. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 1 is 2, times 2 is 4. So that is positive 4. So ano po ibig sabihin nun? Kapag dalawa naman po ang negative, negative pala dyan, kasi isa lang po ang negative. Kapag dalawa naman ang negative, tulad dito, negative 1, 3, 1, tapos negative 1 ulit, tapos 3. Kapag ganyan po ang case, or dalawa na lang pala, dalawang negative, negative 1, 3, 1, negative 1. Ilan po ang negative dyan? Dalawa. In that case, positive po ang sagot. Okay? Bakit po? Kasi negative times negative magiging positive. And i-multiply lang yan sila lahat, yun na po yung sagot. Okay? Yan po yung sinasabi dyan sa number 4. Huwag na kayo magpalito dyan. Next, multiplying naman po sa even at, tapos na yan. So, dividing naman tayo. So, ang rule sa dividing naman, the same lang sa multiply. Kapag ang positive, i-divide mo sa positive, ang sagot, positive din. Or ang negative, i-divide mo sa negative, ang sagot, positive din. Kapag pareho ng signs, positive ang sagot. Pag pareho ang signs, positive ang sagot. Pero pag magkaiba, like negative divided by positive, automatic negative po yung sagot. Tulad din po siya sa multiplication, ang division. Example, negative 45 divided by 9, negative 9. That is, parehong negative. Kaya ngayon, 9 divided by 45, that is 5. Positive ang answer. Next, negative 12 divided by negative 3. So, meron pong apat na 3 sa 12. So, therefore, apat po ang sagot. Positive or negative? That is positive. Bakit po? Magkapareho sila ng sign. Okay, kung magkaiba naman po, tulad nito, negative 16 divided by 4. In this case, si negative yung isa positive. Automatic negative po yung sagot. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, your turn. 10 divided by negative 2. Magkaiba po sila ng sign, dapat negative po ang sagot. Nico, baka mahina talaga ang signal mo, Nico, kaya hindi ako marinig. Narinig ba ako ng iba?
Opo. Opo, sir.
Opo, sir. Baka kay Nico lang. So, sabi po ni Charis, that's negative 5. Again, kapag nag-divide ka po ng magkaibang sign, negative at agad ang sagot. Ashley, negative 5. Densely, negative 5. Cindy, negative 5. So, let's find out. So, 10 divided by negative 2. Ang 2 po is negative, ang 10 is positive. Magkaiba ng sign. Anong sabi sa rule? Kapag magkaibang sign, negative automatic ang answer. 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Okay, so that is negative 5. Next, 15 or negative 15 divided by 5. Okay, please post your answer. You know the answer now. Giselle is correct, Ashley is correct, Leslie is correct, Cindy is correct, with the rest. Emilio, pahabol, negative 5, that's correct. So please post your answer for the second problem, the second question. Negative 15 divided by 5. Therese, negative 3, then 3 is the same. Negative din po ang sagot. Negative 3 din po kay Ashley. So, Cindy is negative 3. Tingnan natin. 15 is negative, 5 is positive. Magkaiba ng sign, therefore negative automatic. So, 15 divided by 5. Ilang 5 meron sa 15? 5, 10, 15. Tatlo po. So, negative 3 ang sagot. Tama po kayo. Very good. Okay. So, let's proceed now to the lesson this morning. So, extend po tayo ng 10 minutes. Okay, take note pala dito. Kapag nag-divide ka po ng 0 divided by 1, that is 0. Kapag 0 po yung numerator or isulat ng ganyan, that is 0. Nakuha? So, ilang 0 meron sa 1? Parang ganun ang tanong. So, ilan ba nga ba? Wala mang 0 sa 1, so 0 ang answer. Next, 5 divided by 0. Undefined naman po. 5 divided by 0. Kasi yung 5, merong 5. Pero yung 0 is wala. Paano mo siya i-divide sa wala? Wala gani. Paano mo pa siya i-divide? Parang merong limang tao. Naghati sila sa wala na pizza. Pwede ba yun? Paano nila hatiin ang wala na pizza? Diba? So that is undefined. Kaya po siya U. U is undefined. Take note of that. So 0 divided by any number is 0. But 5 divided by 0 is always undefined. For example, 1 divided by 0, undefined. Okay kayo daw? So 15 divided by 0. What's the answer? Charis is U. And densely is U. That is U. Okay? Very good. Next. Negative 100,631 divided by 0. What's your answer? Still, U pa rin. Tama ba? So, U pa rin ang answer dyan. Okay, next. Yun po yung mga operations na very important in polynomials. So, let's have the operations. Please copy the title. The operations involving polynomials, module number 5. So, we are now on module number 5. Please copy the title, Module 5, Lesson 1, Operations Involving Polynomials. Again, Module 5, Lesson 1, Operations Involving Polynomials. Okay, Crizel at saka Cindy, every week po, nagapasa po kami ng notebook. So, pag Saturday po, isubmit niyo po yung, picturean niyo po yung notebook ninyo. Ang criteria po is, completeness is 10 points, ang art is 5 points, or cleanliness. Kapag total of 15. So every week, meron tayong 15 points sa ating portfolio. We call that one as portfolio notebook. Picturean nyo po yung notebook ninyo kung ano yung sinulat niyo every week. Tapos, isi-send nyo siya every Saturday. Take note, criteria is completeness. Dapat kompleto siya. Tulad ng mga pinang-present ko dito sa PowerPoint, kompleto siya. Yung sinasabi ko na isulat, yun lang yung isulat. Pero pag sinabi ko wag na isulat, wag naman isulat. Tapos, cleanliness or art, at saka neatness, yan naman siya yung kung malinis siya, kung meron siyang art, pwede naman kung walang art, kung walang pangkulay, basta malinis. Nakuha, walang mali, at saka neat siya, yung maganda pagkasulat, ganun po. So nasa week 3 tayo nung Saturday, so yung iba nyong classmates nagpasa na ng week 3, pero si Cindy at saka Frizel, wala pa ata, dahil di po ata nila alam. So next, game number 2, matching type by decoding, using word wall. I am the father of Archimedes. So this is a 10 minutes activity. So overtime tayo ng 10 minutes dahil na late tayo. So I am the father of Archimedes. So the clue is I am the father of Archimedes. So I would like you to decode what are the answers here by solving the following. So nasa link po, i-open ko muna. I-open ko muna, saglit lang. Saglit naman. Apelyido gani, ma'am? Ha? Espinosa? Ma'am. Ako rin mo man yan. Baka yung announcement na nakaraan. Kaya lang, sorry, Okay, saglit lang ha. I-open ko muna. We are on week 1, week 1, week 4, day number 1. Week 4, day number 1. Okay, ito. So I'll be sending you the link for a while. So this is 10 minutes. So ibibigay niyo lang sa akin ang result after ng uh, 10 minutes. Iko, mahina talagang internet mo. Please open the link and play the game. Okay, your time starts now. Then give me the... Ano po yung decoding? Ay, ibig sabihin po ang decoding, meron pong mga options dyan. Tulad na nakikita nyo, meron pong question. Hanapin niyo yung sagot dyan. Tapos, yung spelling PDSHIAE, hanapin niyo yung letters ngayon kung ano, kung sino yun siya yung father ni Archimedes. Okay, start now. Complete niyo yung puzzle. Kung sino yung first letter, second letter, third letter, hanggang makumpleto niyo yung sagot.
Sir,
Hmm?
pwede mo ipasa ang link sa GC, sir. Basta di man ko cancel karon kay loading na pud kayo, sir.
Okay po, no problem. Hi class, we will end na lang the class. Isasend ko lang yung link sa GC ninyo. Huwag nyo muna sagutan kasi po may nag-error po yung game. Mag-post lang po ako doon. Ha? So we will end our class. Goodbye everyone.
Hey, sir.
Bye,
Mag-post lang.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Po, isend nyo lang sa akin ang sagot nyo later ha sa page.
Bye po, sir.